Welcome back everyone. Weekly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now we'll be discussing about the differences between the .html file and .html file. There is no differences between them. There is no difference between the .html and .html file extensions. Both will be treated as HTML by any web browser and web servers. So let me show you how this works. Let's say right here, let's create one .html file, index.html file. Yes, let's write .html file and open this with our VS Code. Inside this file, let's just write some HTML code right here. Or let's write it like this. Let's bring in HTML file. Let's just write h1 tag. Let me use the small h1 tag. Let's write html file and come back to our document right here. Let's bring in HTML file. Let's say for instance we want to have our anchor tag, and let's write index.html file. So when you click this file now, it will take you to the HTML file. So let's see if it will work. Let's reload our document. As you can see right here, we're having HTML. As you write HTML file. So let's reload our document. We're having HTML file. So let us click it to see maybe it will work. Can you see? It takes us to the HTML file, because the HTML file is right here. This is the error you are seeing right here, and this is the HTML file. So let me give it color. Let me style it so you can see. See this background color. Let me give it aqua, or let me give it red. Let me give it red. Can you see? The HTML file is reading also. So don't you forget, the HTML file and the HTML file, they are working the same way. They are both the same. So the HTML, you can specify HTML file or HTML file. The both are the same. So in the future tutorial, we are still going to talk about this in advanced way, more better. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day, and to the next. Bye bye.